game, ladies and gentlemen. What is this for? This is what I'm going to use for a game that involves me and Riley. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to play sound effects. That's the mic. Excellent. Okay. For all of you who don't know what this game is, I'm going to be making sound effects for Riley's scene. He cannot talk or make any noise whatsoever.
Well, like I can make...
He can't make noise with his mouth.
Can you get a suggestion?
Absolutely. We're going to need a physical occupation, something that a job you'd be doing that would require a lot of action.
Snail farmer.
Snail farmer.
Okay.
Feeding time!